You know the feeling? You step away for lunch, you come back, and some random altcoin just pumped 10% in last 1 minute. You missed it again. The problem isn't your strategy. The problem is biology. You are human. You can only watch two, maybe three chart at the same time. But right now on Binance, there are over 500 perpetual future contract moving simultaneously. The math is against you, unless you clone yourself. What if you had a Python script that watches every single coin at the same time? A script that waits for the massive spike in volume and price, instantly enters the trade, sets your target, and drags a trailing stop loss behind the pump to squeeze out every dollar? Today, I'm giving you that code for free. Let's build the Breakout Hunter. Before we touch the code, you need to understand the setup. If you run this blindly, you will lose money. We aren't gambling, we are hunting anomalies. We are looking for a specific signal on a 5-minute time frame. We need two events to happen at the exact same candle. First, velocity. The price must move aggressively. Let's say the current candle size is 3 times the average candle size. Second, volume confirmation. The volume must be at least 3 times the average volume. Why? Because price without volume is a trap. But price plus volume, that usually means a whale entered or a news just dropped. So this is the entire code that I have created, which follows the strategy logic. If you want to access this code for free, just watch this video till the end. One more thing, I've created another technical video where I've explained how I've written this code line by line in detail. How to use the code, how to install the interpreter, everything is explained. Now I've been running this strategy for some time. Now you can see the output. So when I run this, so it gave me some filter. So you can see now it is showing me two coins. One is Anime USDT, one is CS USDT. So if I go to Anime USDT, so you can see there was a sudden spike. You can see the price is moving in the sideways, and suddenly there is one candle where the volume has increased by 3 times and the price has also increased by 3 times. So I would have taken the trade at this candle. We would have placed a stop loss here and we would have placed a take profit here. Okay, so either we will reach the take profit or we will hit the stop loss. Now I need to be real with you. This is an aggressive momentum strategy. False breakout happens, sometime a coin pumps and immediately dumps. This is why we hard coded the maximum loss per trade. Do not run this on your life saving on day one. Run it on paper trading environment first. You need to tweak the sensitivity. Maybe 5% is too hard to it, maybe 3% is a sweet spot. That is the difference between a gambler and a quant. The gambler hopes and the quant will always test everything. If you want this Python code used in this video to test it yourself, you can get it for free. For serious algo traders only, simply send hi, I want Binance breakout strategy Python code on our WhatsApp number in the description and my team will send you the code for free. Now, if you look at the code and it looks like alien to you, or if you want to take this seriously and learn how to design this entire strategy end to end and deploy it on the server, send us a message and we will walk you through on how to build the system by yourself. Get the code, run it, test it, and let me know in the comment section if the code worked for you or not. See you in the next one.